If a bowl of catfish pepper soup cannot make you pause everything for one hot sip, then it is not the right pepper soup.
Chef MaryG in the kitchen.
Hi, my people. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is MaryG, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Naija. Today, we're making rich Nigerian catfish pepper soup using fresh ingredients, bold spices, and one special blend that changes everything. These uncommon blends, ginger powder and pepper soup spice mix, add that deep traditional flavor and aroma that makes pepper soup taste truly authentic. Catfish pepper soup is rich in protein, helps keep the body warm, supports digestion, and honestly, it's one of the best comfort meals ever. Spicy catfish pepper soup and an ice-cold Fanta. Perfect combination. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and follow your girl AI Chef MaryG for more delicious recipes straight from Naija. See you in the next video.
Smart recipe.